Hello. Well, today it's been snowing like mad. It's as icy as anything. I can't get out on bike, so I'm going to do just a little bit of maintenance. I've got an air filter. I'm going to swap the air filter over and just have a look at where the temperature gauge is, and see if I can move that over. I've seen it done. A guy in India did it, and then I've seen a YouTuber called Uncle Voodoo. He's moved it behind the little handbook cover. So we'll have a look at that today, see how we go. So what I've done, I've taken the seats off, and you just need a 4mm Allen key and just undo the 3 screws there. That one's a dummy. You just remove the screws, 3 screws, with a Phillips screwdriver, and it pulls off. Bit of a tightish fit, but it is a cold day on the air filter, but you pull it out and then you can pull the air filter out. I'm just looking at this air filter, and date of it is 10/11/17, so I'm guessing it is the original air filter, so we'll put a new one in. And we've got a brand new one here, and we'll just put this in. The bike has done 6,000 miles or something like that, so it won't change in any way. And this one's got a date of 6/05/20. I've got to say the old one doesn't look in bad condition, but I'm going to change it anyway. The air filter intake, it will only go on one way. You can see it's located on a peg on the air filter cover, so you can't get it wrong, and it's pointing, the intake is pointing to the rear of the bike. Okay, the temperature sensor, this is it here, and I use a screwdriver just to lever it up a little bit, just to loosen it off slightly, like that. And also, if you stick your finger through there, you can push it out, and it's on the cable there. Awkward to show. It's on a cable there, so just mind the cable don't foul the cover there, and then give it a good tug, and it should come out. I can't do it while holding the camera, so just bear with me. Managed to take the sensor off, and you've literally to push a little peg down in there, that one, and pull it out. So now I should be able to get this behind the cover. Okay, I'm finishing this off on a different day to when I did the air filter. It was too cold in the garage. So I've moved my sensor from over here and run the wires across, and then behind this flap where the rider's manual goes, which I don't use for anything whatsoever, make your slot no more than an inch from the bottom. Otherwise the seat will foul the probe that's stuck through. There's my temperature sensor. So just slot it through there. Bit difficult to do, and hold the phone. There we go, and it's a lovely snug fit. Look at that, straight in. And close my compartment up, and that's it, it's moved. What I'll do, I'll see if the temperature moves at all when it's ticking over.